For my families and friends, they would know that I have a sweet tooth. Mahilig po ako sa matamis. Halata naman po. Mahilig po ako sa tamis dahil ang matatamis po ang nagpapagising sa akin. That would help me at least make myself alive if I would need to accomplish things after the day's work or after 5 p.m. if there are still pendings on my end. Sweets will not be anymore about food today. There will be sweet gestures, there will be sweet words, there will be sweet acts of kindness, sweet forms of love, which we all say and so. And whenever these sweet experiences come across us, it satisfies us and makes us alive once in a while. Our first reading today tells us about the story of John being given this scroll. At isa ang request to consume this scroll. And the scroll turned out to be sweet in his mouth, but bitter inside his stomach. But nonetheless, even with those seeming contradiction of food flow from his mouth to his stomach, it was just pure gift that this scroll became sweet and bitter inside his body so that he could have that energy, he could have that driving force to do his mission to prophesy and to speak about the goodness of God. Pero sa kabilang banda, tila hindi naman po matatamis ang mga binitawang mga salita ni Jesus noong makita niya na ang templo ay ginawang palengke. We've heard a different type or person of Jesus today. He was so angry, he was so furious, he was so zealous. And he was those things. He was angry, furious, and zealous. Not because of an empty reason, but because once more, he saw that temple turn out to be a den of thieves. My dear brothers and sisters, the Lord can be sweet as He can so that He can console us. But He can be fiery, He can be convincing and strong so that He would need to correct something inside of us and take something away from us. There will be times that we will be here, congratulations, a job well done, matalino ka, magaling ka, your work is commendable, you are great, you are lovely. But sometimes we would need to hear corrections, words that will be bitter at times, words that are strong, words that's in a way convincing, would push us and even hurt us, pinch our hearts, and awake us in this life. The Lord will always offer both sweet words and strong words. There will be sweet words to console us, but there will also be strong words to correct us. Let us be ready, my dear friends, to receive both. Hindi lang gusto ko yung matamis, kundi minsan kinakailangan din nating magkaroon at masabihan ng mga mabibigat, minsan masasakit na pananalita. To receive both, so that we will not only live with consolation, but live our lives with principle and with order.